Hello guys, I am Gopinath from Unbox Expert. Today we are going to unbox and review the Sony headset. So looking at the top, it says extra bass and a red color headset of it. And in top and inside it says extra bass. And so look at the price tag, it says around 2500. But you can purchase it around 1600 from Flipkart from the links in the description below. So let's unbox it. The package is quite good and looking very catchy. It has a cardboard box in it. The box is looking very good. It is like a premium very hat. Here the headset, and it also has a guide and a manual on how it operates about it. It says stereo headphones. Basically it is a stereo type headphone. It has soft cushion to support to prevent the damage to the headset. The build quality is awesome and has Sony branding on either sides of the. The cable is so long and has a toggle to lift the calls and mic for the audio. It even has a 3.5 mm headphone jack to connect with any of the devices. The quality is not compromised by the Sony. It's look very premium with diamond cut finish on the top. It has its brand name and model number on either sides of the heads. The soft cushion is very easy. The soft cushion makes it very easy with the ears. Even if you wear it so for the long time, it won't be get so hard on your ears. The length of the straps can also be adjustable on both sides. You can make it max based on your head size. It has marked left and right sides on either sides of the speakers to enhance the effects of the audio more powerfully. So let's connect to it to a audio device. I connected it to a phone and played a call smooth tone. You can hear it now. Even playing a smooth tone, it played very well. Finally, it was very good and affordable for all the music lovers and regular users. It even has extra bass features to bump up the bass even more than other headsets. So that's called extra bass. So you can go for this in this budget range. It even comes with the different color options. So finally, a big thumbs up for this and a click like button